Hello Internet World, welcome to my review of the NAVITEL R9 Dual DashCam. This was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so that you can make an informed buying decision. We'll start by taking a look at the box. You can see here it's the R9 Dual and it features GPS and Wi-Fi. We've also got NAVITEL Navigator with 45 plus maps available. A 12-month license is included inside the box. If we take a look at the side of the box, it's got the main features. So we have got full HD video capture, a 2.7-inch display, 170-degree viewing angle, Wi-Fi, a STARVIS sensor, GPS, digital speedometer. We've got dual recording, so both the front and the in-cabin rear-facing camera also records in full HD. We've also got night vision as well. And then if we take a look on the side here, it gives you an idea of the display whilst you're driving. So we've got the 2-channel recording, easy speed control, so you get the speed on the display here. Really nice mount for the windscreen, and also a camera informer, so it checks speed cameras as well and warns you via a database if you're coming up to a speed camera. So really useful to help you with safe driving. Now, why would you want a dash camera? Well, of course, this records out the front of your vehicle and also inside the cabin of your vehicle. So if you were unfortunate enough to either be involved in or witness to a road traffic accident, then you have got some video footage that could potentially be used as evidence. And also some insurance companies, not all, but some motor insurance companies will give you a discount if you have a dash camera installed. So inside the box we get a little polishing cloth to keep things nice and clean. We also get these packs of cables. This is a USB-C cable here, and this plugs into your 12-volt vehicle accessory socket. We also get this main cable here for if you're going to hardwire the system into your vehicle. We also get this short micro USB to USB cable as well. We of course get a user manual and the license to the software I mentioned, and also this little sticky pad. This is going to help you with installation. And then we do get the little tiny spare adhesive mount. This is used for the second camera. And then we get the main suction mount, which has got the contacts for the camera on this end, USB-C on the side, and then the suction pad that's going to go onto your windscreen. So this is the in-vehicle camera. This is the sticky pad that you're going to stick it into your vehicle with. And then we've of course got the really good quality lens. This does rotate so you can get a good angle as well. And then we've got the USB connector on the side here to connect it into the system. So really nice quality, and as I say, this captures full HD as well as the main camera capturing full HD. And then this is the main camera. We've got the little contacts on the top here for the mount. We've also got an input here for the AV going to the other camera. We've got the main lens, and then on the side here we've got the USB and a reset button. On this side here we've got the slot for the micro SD card, so it's going to record the footage to the micro SD card, and then when that card is full up it will start overwriting the older files, unless they're protected of course. And then we've got the main screen on the back. You can see it's in standby mode at the moment. Let's push the button, goes into menu mode, so we've got all of the various settings that we're going to be able to change here. Really good menu system. We can also sort of scroll through the menu system just to show you some of the options here. So really good options, fully configurable. If we push backwards, then of course it starts showing the display. And this will be continually recording, as I said, on a loop, and it will record short video segments. And then if you want to protect one, you can hit this button here and it will protect that file so it doesn't get overwritten. The video footage, the quality, really very, very good. Even at night time you're getting a good amount of quality in the footage. Really picks up the detail nicely. We've of course got built-in battery, so even if this isn't connected to your car battery, for example, it will run for a short period of time. This is a great dual setup, really very, very useful, really good video quality, super easy to use, and NAVITEL really do produce some great quality products. I can certainly recommend the R9 Dual. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.